Hi, this is Silvia, back again in the Smeg kitchen to show you a family favorite, mini chicken cotolettine, like schnitzel, but Italian of course. And we have flavored the breadcrumbs with some Italian favorites as well. But first thing, we have to turn on our oven because we are going to air fry our mini cotolette in the oven. There we go. And blasting some heat at 220, which means that these mini cotolette will get super crunchy and you'll have all that beautiful flavor of fried food without the hassle and without the mess. We've got the breadcrumbs, a bit of Parmesan cheese, and the gremolata classic combo, garlic, citrus zest, and parsley. And all we do is dust this with flour, shake off the excess, dunk in egg wash, and the breadcrumbs will stick on top perfectly, and magically they will air fry in the oven. Why bother with a big bulky air fryer that takes up all your kitchen real estate when you can just have it built in your oven? Done. Lunch is ready. Oh, smells so good and it looks perfect and crunchy and golden. And we serve it with this beautiful chunky dressing of yogurt, lemon zest and chives. Squeeze of lemon. And for more delicious recipes, please don't forget to visit smegcucina.com.au.